I think I finished that drone flight just in time. I've just seen a kite take off. I think in fight between Kite and Mavic Mini, Kite will win. Right, off to the final stop. You might have a posh heated seat, but I've just parked in the sun. Now my seat feels like it's on fire. According to Tom, 2 miles. Off we jolly well go. Off to church on a Sunday afternoon, what. And that's me all droned out for the day. I've droned in pretty heavy wind, I've droned with a red kite nearby. Those are risks that I took, but the last one I can't drone. I don't know whether it'd be worth droning anyway, but it would be illegal because it's in the air traffic zone of the airport. This is Elston. This is where the little tiny church is, and an old mill. That's not the church I'm looking for. It's not this one. That's too big a church. The one we're looking for is a tiny little chapel. Want to compare it, we're in Nottinghamshire now, not Lincolnshire. We've already been to the church or the chapel that claims it's the smallest church in Lincolnshire. I want to know if this one compares. I thought the TomTom had actually let me down for the first time then, but no, it was me. I'd forgotten to turn my Senna on. It must have turned itself off to power save or something.
You have reached your destination.
Here we are. Ickle Church. He was a miserable git, wasn't he?
Who?
Afternoon. Yeah.
Is that what you said?
I said the afternoon bit.
Say something to me. I don't know what you said. You're the ass, aren't you? You really are. Yeah, it's right there, yeah. Lovely, isn't it?
Elston Chapel. That's hard to read.
It is one bit, isn't it?
Put that behind some bad plastic. Is it the smallest one?
Said the nun.
Ooh. A 12th century chapel to a leper hospital or a 16th century chapel. Let's hope the lepers are still here.
Unclean.
If your fingers fall off, you know something's gone wrong.
Bring out your dead. It's either that or diabetes. Unclean.
I think this one might be bigger.
Beyond. Yeah, you can get in.
I don't know. Maybe. It's like a puzzle, isn't it?
It's a puzzle why you want to go in. Right, let's see. Who lives in a house like this? Richard, it's over to you.
Ooh. It works. After you, you're
Thank you.
first into the leper colony. I guess there's birds nesting in here somewhere.
And let me tell you, there'll be no surrender. No surrender.
There's holes in the church roof.
Do you think they're still celebrating here?
I don't know. It says church open.
Well, that's different, isn't it?
Do you think this bit is the bit where the knobs would be?
With the knobs were.
Yeah, up here.
Don't tempt me! Look, you see these iconic illustrations on the wall?
Yeah.
In Garton on the Wall Church, these are really clear.
We'll have to have a look at that one then.
The roof is so ornate. Have you never been in it?
I don't think I have, no.
Yeah, they're really clear all over the church, and the roof's really ornate. It's before the Protestants stole it from the Catholics.
I mean, I would say that those weren't particularly clear in that I didn't even notice they were there. But you can see there has been paint in there, hasn't there? Is it a lion or something, maybe?
I think that is a lion, yes. I'm Parsley the lion.
I came up here.
To get away from him.
What the heck that is?
Excellent roar.
There's a bird. Ah, there's a bird's nest here.
I think there's a few in here.
You can, I'm going to get away from it because you can hear the baby birds calling. I don't want to upset them. I don't want to make any. They don't want to be as upset as me trying to get down these stairs in boots that don't bend. How small were the feet of the people in the 12th century? Do you think? Lion, maybe? Hard to tell, isn't it? Sin bin? Congregation, please be seated. There's more paintings there, isn't there? Can't really tell what they are. I think that one there is in Latin or something and says,
Amo rectus dominatus. Amen.
oh, I thought it was going to say, hurry, for the Greggs will sooneth be closed, and coffee dost waiteth.
Google Lens translates it as that.
Chris Lenz says, buy needed.
Get a shift on, we're sick of this whole place. Is that lead? Is it the tap?
It's
You
wood.
touched it, it's mucky.
It's wood. Tell it's wood, you can see grain.
Sick grain?
You can see grain.
Bit of barley?
Aye.
You've been mixing with those wizards too much.
Right then,
Now then, come on.
off to get coffee. Thanks for watching What am I doing?
Yeah, great big Yorkshire pudding.
Thanks for watching everyone. Ride safe, and I'll talk to you all again soon.